Hey guys, it's Roxette, and today I'm going to be taking over the COVERGIRL YouTube channel to show you guys how to conceal, correct, contour using the new Trublend Undercover Concealer. So it's a really great, lightweight, but full coverage concealer, and it is available in 30 different shades that directly correspond to the Trublend Matte Made foundation, the shades of that. So that just makes shade matching super simple and easy. All right, so to start off, I'm gonna use this guy right here, which is the COVERGIRL Trublend Matte Made Foundation in M50 Soft Tan. So I'm just gonna apply that all over the face and blend in to make a nice even base. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how multi-use this concealer is by using the COVERGIRL Trublend Undercover Concealer in M300 Honey. So my little trick is to go 1 to 2 shades lighter for like concealing and highlighting. So you see this is M50, 2 shades lighter, M300. That's like the corresponding shade that's 2 shades lighter. So I'm gonna take this and apply directly underneath the eyes and then drag it down in this triangle shape. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and apply right here at the middle of the face. Boom! Okay. The process has started. All right, so then we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out to create a smooth finish. And this concealer foundation combo, you guys, so fire. Like, they blend together really, really nicely. And just on top of that, the concealer itself is super lightweight while still having that nice full coverage wear. And you can see like on this side, I have just a little bit more of a divot. So with any concealer, I always go in with a slight second layer on this side because I really want to get product into that little divot right there. But I like it because when you're using a lightweight product, you can build up on it and get even more coverage without having it look cakey. All right, so same exact rule of thumb for contouring. You wanna go about 1 to 2 shades darker than the foundation shade. So the one that I'm gonna be using is the Trublend Undercover Concealer in T700 Caramel. I love cream contouring because I feel like it really makes your face nice and snatched. And because this is a full coverage concealer, it's gonna add just a little bit more coverage, so you don't need a lot, like a little goes a long way. And we're just gonna blend that in, and I always blend my contour upwards so that we can really get a nice little lift in the cheekbones. All right, we are contoured and concealed and highlighted. So I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is our finished look. As you can see, the COVERGIRL Trublend line just gives us that like flawless complexion and of course, easy shade matching. And the COVERGIRL Trublend Undercover Concealer is perfect for getting like a multi-use out of it. Concealing, highlighting, contouring, all that jazz. Plus, obviously, it's super blendable, super affordable, and it just gives you that flawless look day into night. So that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.